A foggy start for some, it'll soon clear to be a dry day ahead with sunshine, and the outlook remains settled. I'll have all the details of that and more coming up on Good Morning Britain. Light winds, it's just a very different story through Central Europe like we saw Storm Boris, but down in Portugal, I don't know if you saw yesterday, to go out in the local area to wear masks because the air pollution is so poor. That's down to very high temperatures they've had all summer, high temperatures so far this month into the 30s. Thankfully for them, temperatures are set to fall, but elsewhere we've seen in Europe 500 millimetres of rain falling. Put that into context, that's what London would see in an entire year, and they've seen that within just a few days. But the next problem comes snow across the Alps, over 100 centimetres falling just today, and that is likely to lead to avalanches. And this is the very complex weather setup we have at the moment. Low pressure still raging through central areas of Europe. This is the remnants of Storm Boris, more heavy rain and alpine snow here. Further west, we still have high temperatures in Portugal where they're raging the wildfires, but high pressure across the UK, keeping weather fronts at bay, keeping things dry, settled and... It's always sun's out, guns out for Andy, isn't it? And there'll be plenty of sunshine for us in the UK through the next few days, down to this, high pressure. It's like a force field. It keeps the weather fronts at bay, and it means we're dry, settled and slowly warming up as we head through the next few days. But it does mean we have some nighttime mist and fog to contend with. Today it's last night. It is clear with mist and fog returning, a mild night ahead, and then more sunshine to come. So let's take a look at our 7-day outlook. And like I said, high pressure dominates and it keeps those weather fronts at bay, and it's bringing in this mild feed of air. So looking across the north of the UK, first of all, temperatures above average for the next few days, turning a little cooler, but still around about average as we head into next week. But if you like the sunshine, then this is good news for you because we have sunshine symbols every day. The percentage chance of rainfall is low. Just a slight increased chance of seeing a little more cloud next week and the odd light shower. Fortunes further south, just a little bit different, divided as we head through the week ahead. But first of all, our temperatures sit above average for the next 7 days, warming up as we head into the weekend. Percentage chance of rainfall. The next few days remain fine and dry with sunshine, but from Friday onwards, as the high pressure shifts, low pressure moves up from the south, we see increased chance of some scattered showers for the weekend into next week. Welcome back to Good Morning Britain. If you liked yesterday's weather, the warmth and sunshine, then you will like what is coming for the next few days. But why was it so warm yesterday? But down to high pressure. It acts like a force field. It keeps these weather fronts coming up the Atlantic at bay, and it means the outlook is fine, dry and settled. For today, plenty of sunshine, yet again pleasantly warm. Welcome back to Good Morning Britain. Yesterday we had warmth and sunshine, and there is more of the same as we head through the next few days because we have high pressure covering the UK and it keeps the weather fronts at bay. It does mean that that low pressure stays anchored through Central Europe where they've had Storm Boris bringing torrential rain and now significant amounts of snowfall. But for us, welcome back to Good Morning Britain. We had warmth and sunshine yesterday and we have more of the same today. It's thanks to high pressure. It's basically a force field. It sits over us, it keeps weather fronts at bay. It means the winds are light, the skies are clear, and it gives rise to mist and fog overnight, but warmth and sunshine by day. So the latest satellite and radar shows clear skies for many of us. Cloud for the northwest and the far southeast, but in between it is blue skies, and temperatures for all of us are above average, up to 22 or 23 degrees in the sunshine today.